Hey guys, welcome to the bust out. So this is one of our smaller designs. So this is a 12.5 meter frontage and it's designed for 20 meters deep. So it needs a 250 square block. Obviously more is great, but if you're on a really tight budget and you just want to get in, this 3x2 does provide quite a bit of space. So coming through, you've got a standard door in the front, and then you've got your master bedroom straight off to the front. So you're walking through, plenty of room here still for a king bed. And then you walk in, you've got a walk-in his and hers wardrobe space, and then into the ensuite. So you see the lovely Julia, it's got a gap on each side, and then your standard size shower. It's got a soap niche in there so you can put your soap bottles and stuff. So come on through. This plan is bone dead stock, right? The only thing we've changed is the kitchen a little bit, which we'll show you. Standard 2-car garage in here, and into the open plan living. So living and dining, and into the kitchen. So what they've done is basically moved the walk-in pantry and fridge that were on the back wall, and they've relocated it here. So then we could extend the kitchen all the way out to give you a bit more bench space. Removed the brickwork and put a glass instead. So a fixed window splashback. Coming in, you've got your bed too over here with its built-in robe. Same thing, it will fit a queen, which is nice. At the end of the day, you gotta remember, you are limited on space. This is a very small block, which is really ideal if you wanna enter the market. Separate laundry. It's got a built-in linen there for your linen stuff. You've got your toilets and then your spare bathroom as well. And then into bed 3. So there's just a 3x2, no theater, no nothing. You're very limited on space with this size block. But yeah, pretty cool. Still got a shelf and rail, still got your built-in robe in there. And we'll come through. We were even able to squeeze in a little alfresco, which is in here. So you got alfresco, it's right on the fence. 250 squares, so it's only 12.5 wide and 20 deep. But come through, there is a little bit of a space out here. So you've got it there, and then you've got your bit of an uncovered area here, because the garage and that home is built on the boundary. So quite good for safety wise. Again, if you're really tight on budgets and you do find these smaller blocks, this is a really cool plan. Other other designs might be like a townhouse, those skinny ones. This gives you a bit more frontage, a bit more width into the home as well. It's a bit wider hallways for the same thing. My opinion, I actually like this plan. It's nice, short, it's very short and compact, but it's also quite cost efficient, which sometimes we have to do that to get into the property market, to get your first one. So here's the design, the bust out 3x2.